So good morning to all of you. It's another day. Today is a Friday bonanza, and my name again is Agbozo Solomon. I have to be somewhere this morning by 8 o'clock, so I've decided to work hard in the night and put my plan on the platform as early as possible before I leave. So these are my findings. One of the plans is a transfer from Thursday fortune to Friday bonanza, and one is Friday to Friday. All right, so let's just go directly to the plan. So you will see 41 with 50 column under it. The 50 column went from 58 to machine. 41 with 50 column under it. 50 column from this thing. 58 to machine. So come here. The Friday. 41, 50 column. 50 column went from 58 to machine. Alright. So come here. As that continues on 19. Then 1 to 3. The 19. This English is from the 19. We'll give you 13. The 13 from 77 is 64 here. So this number from this 19 will give you 13. The 13 from 77 is this. So come here. As that quantum is, you saw 39. So this from the 39, the 5 from the 39 will give you this 34. The 34 from 77 is this. This from this 34. So the 34 plus this is 77. So as that counting from here, you will see 90. So come here. You will see the same 90. Alright, so when you see the 90, as that counting is, you come and see this 13, move back. This 13 over here, move back. So here too, as that counting is, this is your 34. We have to move back. This 34 over here, we move back. So when you move back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 19 returns. The 19 returns. So here too, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 39 will return. Now when you return, this from 103 is this. You see, with 17 on the line. So 19 from 103 is this, with 17 on the line. So here to 19 from 39 from 103, this is the 4 with 17 on the line. But that is not what I'm looking for. That is not my main focus right now. Now this 90 will come and split into 1674. This 90 will come and split into 1674. So this event, do well to permit. Because when you count upwards, the 71 is constant here. When we come here, the 71 is constant here. You see, so the event is very strong. So those of you who have the means, last week Thursday result, permit 45, 76, 71, 12, 13. So permit. But I've done well to discover this. 6, 71, 13 is addition of this 90. You see, 71, 13 is addition of this 90. So if the 90 is able to split to 1674, look for 3 numbers addition of what? 90. 1, 2, 3. So if the 90 here is able to, from the 4 blocks, is able to split into 1674 addition 90, today we have to search for 3 numbers addition of 90. And how do we get those numbers? It is this 6 plus this 13 that move from here to here. If you add them, you get this 19. So those 2 numbers from what? The 90 is the 71. So the 71 from plus 13 will be your last boss number. You see, it will be your last boss number. Therefore, that 13, you see, this is 19. This 19. So add these 2 numbers, subtract them from what? Your 90. You'll be getting 71. That 71 plus 13 is this last boss number over here. Therefore, those 3 numbers became 1, 2, 3 numbers. So when you come here, this 5 plus this 34 will give you what? 39. So the 39 from 90 will give you 51. That 51 plus 13 is this last boss number. You see, therefore, your 3 numbers should be 75, 34, 51, 3 direct. Then the 45 on the line is the result of this 90 counterpart. This 90 will counterpart to 45, so add 45 to it. Let's go. You see, so here when you come here, counterpart this 90 to 45 and add a 45 to it. Sure. So let me go by the plan again. 41 and 50 column on the road. This 50 column from 58 is this number. Counting with 90 1, 2, 3, 13. The 13 is the 6 and 13 is the addition of this 19. The 13 from what? Addition of 77, it will give you this 64. Counting is 190. You see, then the 13 will come back. 19 will come back again. You see, then 17 will drop. Then the 90 will split into 1674. You see. So now you are searching for 3 numbers addition 90. And I'm saying that this single 6 plus this 13 will give you addition of this 19. So if you subtract the 19 from 90, you get 71. So that 71 plus of 13 is your last boss number. Therefore, bring the 71 in addition to 6 and 13. 3 numbers addition 90. Encounter the listing 90 to 45 in addition. Alright. So you come here. And you will see 41, 53 packed. So the 53 from 58 to give you this single 5. Counting with 9, 39 will drop. Then 1, 2, 3, 5 from the 39 will give you 34. And 34 from 77 will give you 43. Counting with the 90 will place itself at 4 box. Then counting the 34, this 34 will have to return. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring the 39 again. When you bring it back, 17. Then the 90 will split. This 90 will split into 1674, addition of 90. So if you want 3 numbers addition 90, just go and add a single 5 to the 34, you get 39. 39 from 90 will give you 451. That 51 plus of 13 is your last boss number 64. Therefore, those 3 numbers, single 5, 34, 51, addition 90, they are 3 numbers. Permit heavily, add 45 to it. The 90 that is split into 3 numbers, counter it in addition. You get these 3 numbers. These 4 numbers. Single 5, 34, 51, 45. 4 direct. Very well. So let's go to the direct plan. The direct plan that I have is this. I saw this 37. Counting I saw this 83. Counting I saw 53. Then I saw 25. So map the 37, 83, then 25. Those 3 numbers will give you addition of 145. Mm, 145. Alright, 37, 83. This 25. So leave the 70 and 53 out. This 53. Okay, you remember the 53. Alright, so 37, 83, and 25. Addition 145. You can be the same thing as 22. 72, 51, addition 125, so 1, 2, 3, addition 145. Then the 53 was here first. Then you see so the double 5 represents 70. The 70 here represents this double 5. So the 3 numbers 22, 72, 51, addition 145. When you come here, 37, 83, 25, addition 145. So counting with, you come and see 62, 24 will drop. Then the 53 will move to machine. Last boss. This 60, 22, 24, 62 will drop. Then you see this 53 will move to machine. Last boss. So when you come here to 24, 62 dropped. This 24, 62 dropped. Then this your 53 here will move to machine. Last boss. Now you saw 22 here. Then here you saw 37 here. So that 22 came here. The swap 22 came here, and 37 also came here. You see, this 22. The first 2 numbers that added to the number 3 numbers will give you addition of what 145. The 22 and the 45. They both switch. So the 22 came here. You see, and the 37 came here. All right. So the 22 split into only 1, 22. 2 numbers addition 22 was on the line. So you are searching for 2 numbers addition 37. What do you do? It is a 24 and 62 that you have to both subtract both from the rest of the 2 numbers, 83, 25. Remember they are 37, this and this. And here is 22, 72, 51. And the 22 and the 37 switch positions. 22 came here with 53. And then the 37 came here with 53. Alright. So if you want to get 2 numbers addition of the 22, if the 24 from the 25, you get 1. 62 from 83, you get 21. So 1 and 21 will give you addition of that 22. Therefore the 2 became 2 direct. You see, if you want to get addition 22, 24 from the 25, you get 1. 62 from the 83, you get 21. The 1 and 21, if added, will give you this 22. Therefore, the 2 became 2 sure. So if you come here and you want to get addition of this 37, simply put 24 from 51, you get 27. Then 62 from 72, you get 10. So 10 and 27, if added, will give you this 37. Therefore, 10, 27 is 2 direct. You see, 22 from 51 is 27. 62 from 72 will give you 10. So the 10 and the 27, if added, will give you this 37. So they are 2 direct. Alright. Now, see something. If you add this 83, the 2 numbers that you subtracted, the two numbers from the 62, 24 from 83 and 25, you'll be getting addition 108. But when you come here, the 2 numbers, 72 and 51, is addition of what? 123. Alright. So the 53 that came is the 53 from 108 is giving this double 5. You see? So this 53 too from 123 is this 70. So this 83 and 25 addition 108. 72 and 51 addition 108. You see? So this 70 from 123 is the 53. This double 5 from 108 is this 53. So if you see double 5 here on the line, the switch, you see, the double 5 and the 22 are moving together. So the 22 and the double 5 are to here. So if the 22 move here, you see, the double 5 came. So if 37 and 70 are also together, then 37 move here. 72 is 1 to 90. So 70 should be added to this to make it 3 numbers. Correct. One thing I want to remind you to is this. The 37 over here, if you count here, you see 37. It's group 1. Here too, you come and see single one as group 1. So this 37 move here. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4 to center was. Then it came. I don't know whether that's what he wants to do. Group 1 here, 37. So here, if you come here, you see single one. So this one interchange. The 1 came here. You see. 1, 2, 3, 4, then it came to center box and came. So I don't know whether it's that 37 that moved from here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 came to center box and we want to move. So after everything I've shown, you add 37 to the numbers. So these are my focus for the day. 51 is my banker. My 2 shows 34, 51. My 3 that is 34, 51. And 75, addition of 90. 1, 2, 3, addition 90. Then add 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Addition of what? 95 plus the 90 counterpart, which is 45. Addition 90 plus the 45. Then the other plan is 10, 27, and 70. So that one, the 2 show is 10, 27, addition 37. So if you want to add all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will be 7 numbers. You see, then the 37 that I want you to add is this. So you can add 37 to avoid risk. Thank you very much. It is that the 37 that will drop, or one of the 10 and 27. 10 and 27. So you can go and dodge and pick the 37 rather. So rather to avoid risk, add 37 after everything, add 37 to the numbers and pen. Thank you very much for another wonderful opportunity. By the end of the day, I'll put my national on the platform. Thank you very much. I'm grateful.